If 9 raised to x is equals to 5, what is the value of 3 raised to 4x? So, ganito discarding gagawin natin. 'Di ba yung 3 raised to 4x, ang gagawin natin, paghihiwalay natin yung 3 squared, tapos ilalabas natin yung 2x. Ano ba yung 3 squared? 9, 'di ba? So, magiging 9 raised to 2x. 'Di ba? Tapos, gagawin natin, 'di ba yung 9 raised to 2x equals din yan sa 9 raised to x times 9 raised to x. And ano ba yung 9 raised to x? Ayun no, is equals to 5. So, ang gagawin natin, 9 raised to x is 5 times 5. 'Di ba? And that is 25. So, the value of 3 raised to 4x is 25.